All right, how are you guys doing? We're doing a video here on Nio. Yeah, and it's been a pretty rough time here for Nio over the past 10 days or so. We hit our high up here at 565, so we did not make it up to that $6 price point, and now we have retraced back down. We're down about 30%, and we actually just closed right below the 200-day moving average. And if you look back here on this 4-hour chart, we haven't done that since mid November. And you know that is kind of significant, and it could foreshadow a further decline, maybe towards the low threes. We could even crack down through three and maybe end up in the twos. I'm just throwing things out there that could be potentials for Neo. It could open up Monday that we start to see buyers come in after closing right below the 200-day moving average, and we're going to push the price back up. But I just, I wanted to note the price action that we have seen here on Neo now that we have retraced down over $1.50 per share. So that is pretty important. Just looking at the charts here, you can see on our way down we hit this $4 price point, and we bounced off of that, right? And we came back up to these old tops, which was right around 450 a share, and you can see our top here, here finally broke through. So when we had this gap down on Neo, and we came back up again. This was a nice little move over the course of a couple days for a 10% gain. If you were looking at these levels and you had gotten in, while you might not have gotten the whole move, if you were able to get 3-4% out of it, that'd have been a good trade. And then we broke down. We started making lower lows. We broke through the $4 price point. Now we're trading down here at 378. And we closed below the 200. We're starting to see these moving averages come down. So I would not be surprised if Neo continues this downward trend, say towards the low 320s, even down to that $3 price point. And I'm getting these resistance levels and support levels from what we've been seeing over the past, say, 6 to 9 months. And this big pop that we had here, where were the supports, where were the resistance levels? You can mark these big tops. They were mainly momentum based, so I don't necessarily want to consider that to be a super strong support. But down here where we're seeing consolidation, I like that, and then it acts as a ceiling. So really down here around 325 would be what I would be looking for, and then how we get to that level. Is it a slow trickle? Is it a big dump and then a lot of buyers step in? Things of that sort. So for me, I'm bearish on Neo for now, and I just am waiting to see if we're going to continue this drop or if we're going to start to consolidate. So you can come up with your own opinion. That is just mine for now. Again, if you are trading Neo, make sure you have a plan, somewhat of a plan, how you're going to get in, how you're going to get out, and your risk that you're willing to put on the table. Neo is a volatile stock. You can see just over 10 days a 30% decline. That's pretty big. It's also very liquid, so there is money to be made. There are big swings in the price, so just keep all that in your mind when going to trade. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and got something out of it. Until next time, I'll talk to you later.